corrupted Game Pass files, Xbox app bugs, missing dependencies, GPU driver issues, Windows permission conflicts. 1. Restart Xbox services. Very important. 1. Press Win plus R. 2. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Restart these. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Networking Service. Then relaunch the game. Tab 2. Repair game files. Game Pass. 1. Open Xbox app. 2. Go to your COD game. 3. Click 3 dots. Manage. Files. 4. Click Verify and Repair. Number 3. Reset Xbox app in Microsoft Store. 1. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. Find Xbox app Microsoft Store. 3. Click Advanced Options. Repair. Then reset. Number 4. Reinstall gaming services. Most effective fix. 1. Open PowerShell admin. 2. Run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then install again. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall gaming services. 5. Update GPU drivers. Update NVIDIA AMD drivers. Clean install recommended outdated drivers. Common crash reason. 6. Run game as administrator. Right-click Game EXE. Run as admin. Also do this for Xbox App Launcher. Number 7. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner. 8. Fix region and time settings. 1. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Enable automatic time, correct region. Game Pass errors often come from mismatch. 9. Move game to another drive, fixes corruption. Uninstall COD, reinstall on another drive, D/or SSD. 10. Disable antivirus temporarily, especially Windows Defender controlled folder access. Add game folder to exclusions. Number 11. If still not fixed, try Windows Update, fully updated, reinstall Xbox app, sign out and sign back in Game Pass. Best working combo fix fast method. If you want quickest solution, do only these. 1. Reinstall gaming services. 2. Repair Xbox app. 3. Verify game files. Works in most cases. Pro tip. This error is very common on Game Pass versions of code, especially after updates. If you